Hi folks, Larry from LAR here. Today we're going to talk about the ease of use of our LAR MV-124X control amplifier. The beauty of it is its simplicity. The system has 3 knobs and a button. The button is the power button, and that's how we turn it on. Once the system is turned on, you'll see the lighting display come on, and the lighting display is going to give you full indication of what is going on with your sound system. And one of the lights in this area will be lit. That's just a status indicator. The green lights here indicate that everything is functional inside and out and that it's ready to operate and play music for you. The first thing you'll need is a music source. Today we're going to use a Droid phone. For the Droid phone, there's the Droid cord. This is a USB-C cord. But if you have an Apple phone, you'll need a Lightning cord. And if you have a computer or anything with a headphone jack, then you'll use this cord. All 3 of these types of cords come with your new sound system. We're going to plug it into the phone, plug the jacks into the amplifier. Jacks are located right on the very front panel for ease of use and access. Nobody has to dig to the back of the cabinet or the amplifier to find a plug to plug into. It's conveniently located right on the front. The next step, once you turn on your music source, is to make sure your input selector switch is set in the right spot. In this case, we're plugged into the aux input number 1. The input selector switch located on the right side is 4 different positions. And number 1 is the selection you want for this set of jacks. Now, we'll turn on the music source, and then the next thing you're going to see is the blue light will light up. Once that blue light is lit, that shows that your music source is functioning correctly, and that when you turn up your music volume, you will have music. It's a beautiful thing. Turn the music off, blue light goes away. So it's very helpful so that you know before you're ready to say go, you're going to have music when you turn up your volume knob. Same applies to the microphone. I'm sure you're familiar with these. A headset microphone system with a wireless transmitter. All you got to do is turn it on. Once you turn the power on, you'll see the famous blue light starts lighting up as you speak. This will indicate that as soon as you turn up your microphone volume knob, which is the middle knob, you're going to hear the sound system. As long as we're on the mic, we can demonstrate that if someone happens to have their own mic, or for whatever reason, you can easily plug it into the front panel. Directly below the RCA jacks is the mic jack. So from here, you have the same function. As soon as you plug in your mic, turn on the transmitter, your blue light will come on, and you'll be ready for class. The next important function is the input selector switch. There's 4 different options. Option number 1 is the front panel jacks that are located here and labeled input 1. Input 2, 3, and 4 are all for additional inputs that are located on the back, and when the system is shipped and installed, then those other inputs can be added into it. Typically, on number 2, we will have a Bluetooth receiver. So if you flip your selector switch to number 2, then the Bluetooth will come through and you'll be operating with that as your input. Number 3 and 4 can be any other sources. For example, sound from a video player or from any type of computer. That's up to you. Thank you for watching our video on the LAR MV-124X. It's a simple system to operate, and we're sure you'll get used to it very quickly. In the meantime, enjoy your LAR MV-124X.